Hey guys, this is Amjad with another tutorial of how we can change the URL of our channel on Dailymotion. Well, to change the URL of your channel, just click on Setting and select Partner HQ option. And also open your channel dashboard too to see the URL of your channel. Here you can see that the URL is consist of alphabets and numbers, which is kind of annoying and difficult to remember. Now to change the URL, click on Channel in the menu on the Partner HQ tab. And scroll down to see your channel link. Here is your channel link, and what you need is to remove these alphanumeric words and write the name whatever you want to call it. And click on Save. Here you can see that it has saved the changes. And remember, it will not allow you to make changes once you have saved your channel name. So to make sure you don't make any mistake doing that. Now go to your dashboard tab and refresh the page to see whether the name has been changed and working properly. Here you can see that the channel name has been changed and it's working properly. And this is how you can change the URL of your channel, which is easy and short. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.